Good morning. We're on our way. And Michael's driving. Ribbit.
Coolest guy.
Coolest guy around. This is weird. Max Wilson. We're getting there. Bye.
At long last, we've got no glimpses of what the view is going to be like throughout the hike.
This is the last moments we're gonna see Michael alive.
Stop bugging me about the time.
Aw, look, we're friends. Hey guys, oh my god. I actually don't know where to put the camera. Maybe I'll just hold it. But I haven't really been talking to you guys much. And all these clips are just kind of scattered. I'm not really in the biggest talking mood because my acid reflux is really bad. But I think it's all the margaritas I drink. Yeah, we're in Asheville. Here visiting my friend. Well, we're both here visiting. And yeah, woke up early as hell for this hike. And then we have another hike. But it'll be worth it. I'm always very much the person, like, the minute I start doing a hike, I'm like, okay, I regret this. Like, this is horrible. But then you get to the top, or you get done with it, and you just feel so good. And and it burns my chest. Oh my god. It's like literally anytime I drink, the universe tells me not to drink. Look how peaceful that is. It's quite nice. When I'm up here, my problems don't matter. Michael does this fun little game on his Snapchat stories, so we're gonna watch him, see how many attempts it takes. He's on attempt number 2.
I'm going through my lines.
He has to remember his lines. This is really entertaining to watch because I've just been sitting here playing with an ant.
And we're about to find out. So if you remember a couple weeks ago, I was in Boulder. I was in the Rocky Mountains, and I got a rock for my niece Ava.
Okay guys, he messed up right when I put the camera down, but we're on attempt number 3.
In front of me. We were coming out to the clearing, and we're going to do the reveal. So, a couple weeks ago, you might remember, I was in Boulder in Colorado, the Rocky Mountains, and I got a rock for my niece Ava. I would say hi Ava, but she's 3, she's not watching. But I didn't want to just give her a Rocky Mountain rock. I wanted to pair that with an Appalachian rock. And so here we are in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina. Thank you all for playing, and stay tuned for not the winners, but the winner.
We're at a waterfall. Well, we're in the parking lot.
We are in a parking lot, yeah.
We're in a parking lot. Woohoo! We're at a waterfall. That's all that really matters. Well, the parking lot. I'm so sorry. We are in a parking lot. Waiting for Michael.
So I'm saying, we're in Hawaii. Okay, we're in the airport, but we're going.
But anyway, yeah, we had to drive around a little bit to get Michael's influencer stuff taken care of. And then we're gonna go swim. Getting tired. Can a girl be tired? Well, she's gonna get another coffee and she'll be fine. I feel like I've been so awkward because I've never filmed in front of people. So I'm like so stressed when I film in front of Michael, even though we've been friends for like 10 years. So today we went on the hike and then we're gonna do a waterfall swim, hopefully. I'm a little stressed because I have a tampon in and oh my god, I don't know what it is. It's like, oh, when you could swim with a tampon. No, every time I swim with a tampon, like 10 minutes after I get out of the water, it's leaking through. So, fingers crossed that doesn't happen. And then we're gonna get some lunch. Because we haven't eaten much today, besides like protein bars and like stuff like that. Which is good, but I want some like good grub, because I'm on my period. And, I could eat like an entire pizza. I'll be so for real, I could eat an entire pizza. But yeah, we're gonna do that and I'll obviously film it because, you know, influencer life. Hashtag, oh my god, that looks like my friend's mom. That's so funny. Hashtag influencer life.
Alright, you can't go past this point. You're a bicycle. Let's do an enter. Let the record show I am exiting.
And now he's running. Almost there. Thanks. Okay, we have now made it to the last 2 waterfalls. So Michael is putting on his flip-flops. Yeah. But we totally could. I can't really see now. I'm dying. It's still going. can't even see it. That's a waterfall.
It is.
We have finally made it. My camera's being a little funky. That was a lot more intense, and it's gonna be intense on the way up, but there we go. Last waterfall. This one in the waterfall, I don't know if you can, or in the waterfall, in the water. I'm trying to go in the waterfall. That's where Michael is. He's in there. Somewhere in there. I don't know where. But this is great. This is a beautiful, beautiful way to end a day. Amazing.